Do you believe an old lighter can sharpen a knife until it is truly sharp? Hello everyone! This knife is so dull, it cannot even cut a sheet of paper. But with just a few simple steps, it can be brought back like new. Watch the full video to see these useful and easy methods you can try at home. First, take 2 thick metal washers and place them on a sheet of 240 grit sandpaper. Hold each washer steady and trace around it with a pen so you get 2 clean circles. Make sure the circles are even and well spaced so they are easy to cut later. This rough grit will become the first surface used to shape the knife edge. Next, take a sheet of 1000 grit sandpaper and place the same washers on top. Trace around them again so you have 2 smooth circles on the finer paper. This finer grit will be used later to refine the edge after rough sharpening. After marking the circles, drill a small hole right in the center of each one. Keep the drill straight so the holes line up clean and the pieces will spin evenly when assembled. Use a pair of scissors to carefully cut out all 4 circles you just traced. Work slowly so the edges stay round and clean. These pieces need to be even so they sit flat on the washers later. If one looks a little rough, trim it again until it matches the others. Good shapes here will make the sharpening smoother and more stable. Tell me where you're watching from. I always enjoy seeing the different cities and states you're tuning in from. Put a small drop of super glue on each thick washer. Place 1 sandpaper circle onto each washer, grit side facing out. Press it down firmly and hold it for a few seconds so it bonds well. Make sure the paper sits flat with no wrinkles or gaps. This simple step turns plain washers into solid sharpening surfaces. Take 1 long bolt and slide the washers onto it one by one. Place them so the sandpaper faces touch each other in pairs. This way, the rough sides stay on the outside for sharpening. Add a nut on each end and tighten them slowly. Do not rush this part. The stack needs to be firm and centered. Spin it with your fingers and check that it turns straight without wobbling. When it feels solid, the sharpening drum is ready to go. Place the bolt into the drill chuck and tighten it so it holds firm. Use a plastic zip tie to keep the trigger pressed lightly, so the drill runs slow and steady. Spray a little water on the knife blade to keep it cool. Bring the blade gently into the gap between the sandpaper discs. Move the knife slowly, without forcing it. Let the sandpaper do the work. Keep the blade wet and your hand steady. Stop and wipe the blade clean to check the edge. After sharpening, the edge is strong, but it still needs a smooth finish. Take a piece of denim cloth and tape it flat on a wooden board so it does not move. Put a small amount of polishing compound or toothpaste on the fabric and spread it thin. Lay the knife flat and pull it back across the cloth, away from the cutting edge. Keep the same angle used for sharpening and use light pressure. A few steady passes are enough to remove fine burrs and make the edge clean and smooth. It is time to see if all that work paid off. Hold a sheet of paper in one hand and draw the knife through it. The blade should cut clean, without tearing or dragging. That tells you the edge is straight and sharp. Next, take a fresh lemon and slice it slowly. The knife should go through the skin with almost no pressure. Watch how smooth the cut looks and how easy it feels in your hand. These two simple tests show whether the edge is ready for daily use. If both feel easy and clean, the sharpening is done right. The first method works well, but there is another way that is even simpler. This old knife here is so dull, it cannot even cut a piece of watermelon. Instead of giving up on it, take a look at this old lighter. Most people would throw it away, but inside there are two small flints that are still useful. Use pliers and carefully open the lighter body. Take out the two flints and set the rest aside. These flints are very hard and work like a fine grinding stone. With just these two small parts, a second sharpening tool can be made in a few minutes. It is simple, quick, and uses something you probably already have at home. Take two small rivets and remove the caps from them. Slide one flint into each rivet body so the stone sits straight and tight inside. Make sure the flint sticks out just a little on each end so it can touch the blade later. Then press the caps back on and tighten them firmly by hand or with pliers. Check that the flints do not move or wobble. This step matters because a loose flint will not sharpen evenly and can be unsafe. When both flints are locked in place, the tool is ready to be mounted and used. Mount the rivet with the two flints into the drill and tighten it well. Spray a little water on the knife blade to keep it cool. Turn on the drill at low speed and guide the blade gently into the gap between the two flints. Do not push hard. Let the flints do the work. After a few passes, wipe the blade clean and check the edge. Pick up a watermelon and place it on a steady surface. Set the knife on the skin and make the first cut with light pressure. The blade slides in smoothly without forcing. A clean slice shows the edge is sharp and ready for real kitchen work. Today, you saw 2 simple ways to bring a dull knife back to life using things you already have at home. No expensive tools, no special machines, just clear steps and a little patience. If this video helped you, give it a like so more people can find it. Subscribe to the channel for more practical DIY ideas you can really use at home. Leave a comment and tell me what tool you want to fix next.